Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to reply on Jodel. So first of all, launch open Jodel application. You can see over here Jodel has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So you'll be able to see various posts over here. So if you want to reply to a post, it is actually very simple. What you have to do is simply tap on the post that you would like to reply to. Now after you do that, that particular post will be opened. So if you want to reply to this person, what you have to do is comment on their post. So for that, tap on this option Yodel back here that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to enter your reply in this comment. Simply enter your reply and tap on the send icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you just replied to this person. So like this, you'll be able to reply on Yodel. So that is how you reply on Yodel. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.